To share with you all what I got for my BoxyCharm base box. Let's take a look. This little card tells you more about the products on the back as well as the price. The first item I received is this highlighting palette. I really do love that it comes with a mirror, perfect for traveling. Next up is this really beautiful eyeshadow palette from Wander Beauty. I love that it comes with a mirror and these colors can be worn day or night. Next up from Illamasqua, this is a setting spray. Next up from Teeny Blends, this is a detox mask. Next up from Bali Balm, this is a pineapple lip scrub. It smells really good. Here's everything I received in my BoxyCharm base box for the month of February. I really do like this whole box. And let me know what you guys think. Down below is a link if you want to join. Not bad for only $25. And let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.